No wires, no monthly fees, no battery anxiety. Solar-powered security cameras have become one of the smartest upgrades you can make to a home in 2026. But not all of them are built equal. These 5 cover every budget and setup, from budget-friendly no-subscription picks to 4K AI-powered flagship systems. Subscribe before we get into it. We cover the best smart home gear every week. The eufyCam S340 is the premium benchmark for solar wireless security in 2026. PC World called it a top-shelf system that eliminates subscription fees entirely. All footage is stored locally on the included Homebase S380, expandable up to 16 terabytes. Each camera packs a 4K stacked CMOS sensor with a fast f1.0 aperture, delivering max color, vision, full-color night footage without relying on IR, so clothing color, vehicle color, and facial detail are all visible in complete darkness. The 13,000 mAh battery is rated for up to 365 days of standalone operation. The integrated solar panel handles daily top-up from 1 hour of direct sunlight, with an included secondary detachable panel for cloudy climates. Radar plus PIR dual detection drastically reduces false alerts from leaves and animals. AI face recognition, 8 times digital zoom, IP67 weatherproofing, and HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant compatibility round out of the package. SafeWise called it the highest quality color night vision footage they had ever seen from a solar security camera. For homeowners who want maximum resolution, privacy, and zero ongoing costs, the S3 Pro is the definitive pick. All the links are in the description. Go check it out. The SoloCam S340 is the no blind spot pick, a 360-degree pan and tilt solar camera with 2 lenses operating simultaneously. The wide-angle lens shoots at 3K resolution. The telephoto lens captures at 2K, and both streams are available at the same time for dual-view monitoring without repositioning the camera. PC World called it an excellent solution for eliminating blind spots and power requirements in one device. The camera pans 360 degrees and tilts 70 degrees, covering a full property perimeter from a single mounting point. The included 2.2-watt solar panel keeps the battery perpetually topped off with normal daylight hours. 8 gigabytes of onboard storage handles local recording with no subscription required. And it is also compatible with the eufy Homebase for expanded local NAS storage up to 16 terabytes. For renters, homeowners with difficult mounting spots, or anyone who wants to cover a large outdoor area without multiple fixed cameras. The SoloCam S340's 360-degree dual lens coverage makes a compelling single-camera solution. The Ring Spotlight CamPro Solar is the pick for homeowners already inside the Amazon ecosystem. And at CES 2025, Ring announced a free 2K video upgrade for the Spotlight Cam Pro via software, bringing it from 1080p HDR to 2K resolution without requiring new hardware. The 3D motion detection uses radar to map movement paths across your property, generating bird's-eye view aerial path overlays through the Ring app. The solar version pairs the camera with Ring's second-generation solar panel for continuous battery charging through normal daylight, eliminating manual recharge cycles. Dual-band Wi-Fi, a 140-degree field of view, adjustable spotlight lighting, a built-in siren, and color night vision are all included. Motion zones are fully customizable to reduce false alerts from street traffic or neighbors. Alexa integration is native and seamless. The honest trade-off is the Ring Protect subscription. Full event recording requires a paid plan starting at $4.99 per month for households already paying for Ring Protect or running a broader Ring system. The Spotlight CamPro Solar is the best integration-focused solar camera on this list. SafeWise called the Reolink Argus 3 Pro one of the best security cameras you can buy, matching Arlo Pro 4's video quality while beating its battery life at a significantly lower price. The newer hardware version captures at 5 megapixels, 2880 by 1620 resolution, from a 1/2.7-inch CMOS sensor with 16 times digital zoom and H.265 compression for efficient local storage on a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. No subscription required for any detection features. The solar panel is sold bundled in the kit version and connects via a simple cable for flexible separate mounting based on sunlight availability. Color night vision, a built-in motion spotlight, person and vehicle detection, 2-way audio, and IP65 weatherproofing are all standard. The camera operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, depending on the hardware version, worth confirming at purchase. The trade-off relative to eufy's is that motion zones and removable battery are not available on this model. But for the price, the Argus 3 Pro delivers video quality and solar reliability that compete directly with cameras asking significantly more. Closing with the pick that Wirecutter named the best outdoor security camera for 2026, the TP-Link Tapo C425 KIT. The 2K QHD resolution at 2560 by 1440 captures 1.7 times more pixels than 1080p, and the 1/3 inch starlight sensor delivers color night vision with 4 adjustable built-in spotlights for clear, deterrent-grade nighttime footage. The 142-degree wide field of view is wider than most competitors at this price. The 10,000 mAh battery is rated for up to 300 days of standalone operation. The included solar panel charges fully from just 2 hours of daily sunlight. Free AI detection covers people, pets, and vehicles without any subscription. And local micro SD storage up to 512 gigabytes holds approximately 672 hours of 2K footage. IP66 weatherproofing covers rain, snow, dust, and temperature, extremes from -4 to 112 degrees Fahrenheit. The main noted limitations are the micro USB charging port rather than USB-C and no Apple HomeKit support. But for the price, the combination of 300-day battery, free AI detection, no subscription, and 2K resolution makes the C425 KIT the strongest value per feature solar camera on this list. All the links and purchasing details for every camera on this list are in the description below. Those are your 5 best solar-powered wireless security cameras for sustainable home surveillance in 2026. From a no blind spot 360-degree dual lens system to a 4K AI flagship with 365-day battery life. No wires, no monthly fees, and no compromise on coverage. Drop your pick in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.